Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this USB hub by Lemorele. It's a 4-port USB 3.0 hub. It is ultra slim, it is for datas, and you can gain up your little laptop, for example, which contains only one USB port, to a 4-port USB port machine. That's cool. It's a slim data USB adapter, fast data transfer USB splitter for our laptops, for Windows personal computers, for Macs, for printers, for flash drives, for mobile use, mobile HDDs, as what you like to dock onto your computer system. You can perform this. Because we have a 4-port USB 3.0 hub here, this hub can expand one USB 3.0 port to 4 USB 3.0 ports, which can be used for mouse, keyboards, flash drives, or any other USB peripherals at the same time. This hub is not for charging devices because it supports the output maximum current only is 900 milliampere. But you can reload your smartphone with that. But you should not perform this all on all 4 ports. That's not good because this will overgain the power. That means charging is not the main thing here, it's data transfer. Charging is the secondary thing, because charging is slowly here. But high speed comes with this USB port. It supports super fast data transfer up to 5 gigabit per second. That's 10 times faster than USB 2.0. This comes only with 480 megabit per second. It's fast enough to transfer an HD movie in seconds. And it's compact and portable. This USB hub is so slim and lightweight that it fits easily into any laptop bag, or in your case, in your where you like. It's perfect for the home use, for office use, or wherever we go. And easy setup. We need no drivers. We need no drive installation. That's not required. That's plug and play and hot swappable. It's easy because you have one USB port, you dock this hub into it, and in a second after this you have 4 ports. That's a good solution. And we have a superior safety. This chip used in the USB hub can take multiple safety protection measures to avoid overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and high temperature. The Lemorele 4-port USB 3.0 data hub. The Lemorele USB hub has 4 USB 3 ports with speed up to 5 gigabit per second. That's fast. One USB-A port can be expanded to 4 USB ports, which perfectly solves our problems of insufficient USB ports. It is easy to access many devices, just plug and play. This USB hub is designed with an extremely thin and sleek body, which is ideal for everyday carrying, commuting, and traveling. Data transfer speed up to 5 gigabit per second, and it supports a lot of systems: Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, what you like. We have an LED indicator light. Through the LED indicator light, us know that the working status of the USB hub are vary in time. And the USB adapter is only 4.24 to 1.34 to 0.43 inches. And it weighs only 0.19 pound. With compact and portable design, all ports are in our hand. Ultra slim design leaves room for all the accessories we plug in, and easy to carry, perfect for vacation and business trips. and we improve the work efficiency. This USB hub helps us expand the functionality of our computer, allowing us to use a mouse, a keyboard, etc. At the same time, it saves workspace and improves the work efficiency. And of course, compatibility. All Dell laptops, Lenovo's, HP, Asus, Microsoft Surfaces, for example, Huawei, Samsung devices, Apple devices, you can use them all with that hub if you need it. This is the Lemorele USB hub. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.